New cars leave a car factory in a repeating pattern of red, blue, black, and gray cars. If the first car to exit the factory was red, what color is the 463 car to exit the factory? Okay, this question is saying that the pattern is red, blue, black, and gray. After that, they started to paint to leave the car red, blue, black, and gray. So the fourth car is gray. The eighth car is gray. So gray cars are always multiplied by 4. It's a multiply of 4. The 463 car divided by 4. If this number is divisible by 4, the car would be gray. So it's gonna be 1, 0, 6, 1, and this 2, 3. I have 5, 3. Okay. Multiply that by 4. It's gonna be the car number 460 is gray, and there is more 3 cars to leave to reach 463. So this is 460, this is the 461, this is the 462, this is the 463. So the answer is C. The car is black.